Alright guys, Biff here, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you a product that I accidentally found online, the SADA or Saida soundbar. There was a time when my laptop's internal speakers broke. Check the card above for the whole story. I was so depressed during that time and desperate to find something to fill the gap. My requirements, it should be cheap, it should be loud, it should look sleek and modern, and finally, it should serve the purpose of giving me a decent sound before I find a replacement for my laptop speakers. It's here, let's find out what it's like. Let's do this!
presidential spokesperson po, I'm busy with my job right now.
And ang ibig sabihin niyan is that many of the claims of the hospitals are not going to be processed at hindi mababayaran.
I love how cheap it is. The cheapness lingers. It looks really good and it doesn't have any Chinese branding. It has low power consumption since it uses only USB. And you can use a power bank to make it portable. The control switch is not on the product. It's definitely not the best since I can compare it with my Amazon Echo, which sounds much fuller. This is not for audiophiles. The LED was advertised as breathing light. False. The control switch is not in its best place since the wire is very short. It could be better if they separate the control switch from the rest of the wires, making it more convenient for cable management. Equalizer, Bluetooth functionality, subwoofer, and tweeter could improve the system, but who cares? It wouldn't be that cheap if they ever existed. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing/review of the SADA or Saida soundbar. Leave a like or comment down if you want to ask more. You can also ask questions in video or picture format in our subreddit below. And if you're new, please do subscribe. It will really help the channel a lot. And as always, see you on the next one.